On your screen, you can see an encyclopedia article of the PlayStation 5 on the Grokipedia.com, which is an AI based encyclopedia from Elon Musk. The same article you can see on the Wikipedia as well. You can find that the entire article matches from word to word. Like you can see right here. Not convinced? Let's go to the next article, which is about the Lamborghini. And you can see the same article on the Wikipedia as well. Still not convinced? Let's go to one more article, which is about the AMD. And right here, you can find the same article on Wikipedia as well. So much for the slogan of the Grokipedia, which is supposed to be a better alternative of the Wikipedia. This is an absolute joke and a disaster. I do not see any reason why I should go to Grokipedia or Wikipedia for that matter right now. Uh, I'm not a user of the Wikipedia in general, but I don't see any reason why I should go to Grokipedia as well. This sucks as well. Now, the basic idea behind the Grokipedia.com was to be less biased, but from what I can see, this is like more biased actually. It's just the difference in the left wing and the right wing. You can say I'm not going to go too much in the politics and everything. I'm kind of a neutral guy, minding my own business, but right here I don't see any appeal to this platform. It is shamelessly taking the articles from the Wikipedia. At least I appreciate the human generated content. Like the entire article collection on the Wikipedia is written by people. Like this is hard work right here. And the Grokipedia and other platforms actually depend on the platforms like Wikipedia. So, um, like this is a really a failed project, I would say. So, basically, about the Grokipedia bit, it is an AI-powered online encyclopedia. It is developed by XAI, which is Elon Musk's AI company. Right now, has like around 900,000 articles. So one of the key features I would say is the integration of the AI. So it can generate the articles really fast compared to the Wikipedia, where people have to write the article themselves. And the biggest selling point, according to the company, is the fact checking. So you can see right here, fact checked by Grok yesterday. So it fact checks every article, but it is already available on Wikipedia. So I don't know what they have checked here. It is almost same. So yeah, the first thing is that it is AI generated content. Not so much. It is just a copy of the Wikipedia article. So I don't think this is AI generated at all. But they claim that they have generated this using the AI. Also, there is a limited user editing. So visitors cannot directly edit the articles, but they can edit suggestions. Like you can select the text here and recommend that this is wrong and give them the submission. So yeah, you can give the submission, but you cannot edit the content yourself like the Wikipedia. Also, on the Grokipedia, the data is trained in real time. So theoretically, it allows faster updates compared to Wikipedia's manual editing process. And this has limited user editing, as I said before. Claims that it is an open source, but I don't think that applies here as well. Also, it has a very minimalistic user interface. Some might find this attractive. I personally do not like this at all. For an encyclopedia website, I like my user interface to be filled with the knowledge. I don't have to go here and search for anything myself. It should give me some proper interface. Like I like this one. I can go to different articles from here. It is an endless string of knowledge. So I like this interface. I don't like the color either. Like this is not a friendly theme, a friendly color scheme for reading the content. If we compare the Wikipedia and the Grokipedia, it is important because they claim that it is a alternative, a better alternative of the Wikipedia. First thing first, the Wikipedia has human volunteers, like millions of editors, and the Grokipedia is basically one AI language model writing all the content from the resources, right? So that's the first difference. The second difference is that Wikipedia has around more than 7 plus million articles in English, and the Grokipedia has around 900,000 up to this point. In the future, I think it will surpass the Wikipedia, but at this point, Wikipedia definitely has more articles. On the Wikipedia, anyone can edit the content. On Grokipedia, you cannot. You can submit the corrections, but you cannot, change the articles yourself. One plus point would be the fact checking. So you can ask the Grok. The fact checking of the Grok is actually good. Many people use it, but no such facilities available on the Wikipedia. So that's a absolute win in the favor of the Grokipedia. Also, about the funding, the Wikipedia is public funded, right? So this is a platform of the public. On the other hand, the Grokipedia is the platform of just Elon Musk. They claim that it is a open source platform, but it's not. About the biased factor, Wikipedia is accused of the left wing bias, but Grokipedia is no better either. It claims the neutrality, but it shows the right leaning bias as well. So both platforms are just two parts of one coin. And furthermore, from what I can say, that the Grokipedia articles are copied nearly verbatim from the Wikipedia. It has the disclaimers stating content is adopted from Wikipedia, licensed under Creative Commons attributions, and many more things. But basically, it is a copy paste from the Wikipedia, a lot of articles. Also, there's a training data problem as well. So the research shows that if AI models rely on the same data and algorithm, they cannot avoid reproducing the same biases. The Grok's chain of thought process shows that it actively searches for Elon Musk's personal post on X to formulate answers on controversial topics, effectively hardwiring its founder's opinion as the primary source. So that's one of the things I'm concerned about regarding this platform. It is not completely unbiased. It is definitely biased, and the biggest losing point for the platform is the resources. So if you search for any topic, let's search for Vladimir Putin, for example. So some of the content here, like this one, Putin engaged in street fights and hooliganism. So this type of content is just, this is basically an personal blog article from a person, right? So the reason behind it is because of, I think, this. Yeah, so you can see the source is bbc.com. So it is uh, definitely biased, I would say. So these words right here are not in favor of the encyclopedia, right? So it's not a good article for an encyclopedia, I would say, right? So these types of biased articles are common on the platform. So yeah, some of the issues are plagiarism, right-wing bias, factual errors, lack of transparency, I would say, you know, and omission of controversies is also a big issue with the platform. Like the Elon Musk entry omits his controversial hand gestures that he did in, I think, January, that many viewed as Nazi salute, but it doesn't mention it here. On the Wikipedia, the uh, Nazi salute that Elon Musk did is definitely mentioned, I think, but on his own platform, it's not. So, yeah, the platform is definitely not unbiased. It has selective framing as well, some technical issues. It went down after the launch, and many more things. And in terms of encyclopedia, how an encyclopedia should work, it is not a good platform as well. Like the content here is very plain. It lacks internal linking. Like the Wikipedia, I can go to any uh, link here, hover on the link, and it will give me some information, at least the basic information. And this is why we love Wikipedia in the first place, right? This is why we like the platform. So that's not available on this platform. If you click on a link, it will take you to the reference website instead. So it is not a good source for any information. It also doesn't have any images or video or media files. The accessibility to the content is also not good, and that's another reason why I think Wikipedia is better compared to the Grokipedia. So the Wikipedia website, as you can see, are built exclusively for browsing. You can go as deep as you want, going from article to article, forming an endless chain of knowledge. But on the Grokipedia, you only see one article at a time. If you want to know something else, you need to go to the search bar and search again. That's not a practical application. Furthermore, the search bar is not as responsive as the Wikipedia. Like if I search for anything, it will take forever to load the data. Like here, I can just type in and it will give me a lot of results right away. It is still stuck. And on the result, I have the Trump vodka. I don't know what that is, but it's definitely not what I searched for. Right. So, yeah, there are a lot of issues. Donald Trump is right here at the very bottom. So, Grokipedia gets information from the countless news, blog, YouTube videos, and other similar sources. While the articles are better compared to Wikipedia in terms of factual correctness, it is not so far from being biased either. So, yeah, I don't think this is a good platform. Most of the reference website of Grokipedia are news outlets, which are the leaders of the biased knowledge and the propaganda in today's world. So, as such, how will Grokimedia remain safe from being biased itself? So, yeah, that's my personal opinion. Though maybe some people will find this helpful. Maybe the next versions, because this is just the first version. According to the company, the 1.0 version will be far better, 10 times better actually, compared to the zero point 0.1. So let's see what happens in the future. But right now, this platform is trash, I would say. In one word, it is not a good platform. Let me know what you think about the platform. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.